So what we're going to do here is I'm giving you 30-second commercials. This is a 3-month campaign. We're starting the first week.
Here's Deb going over the details of her contract with the radio to do a commercial.
We're not going to do the new year.
They are going over her campaign ideas.
It's actually the 30th.
Her advertising plans, Haley's advertising plans for DG Busy Bees.
We're going to run that to
Here we are, heading up to the sound stage.
Starting till Monday. I got time.
Okay, where would you like Debbie?
I would like Debbie right here. Is she talking by herself? You talking?
Yep, she's going to be voicing her commercial.
You sit down there and relax. This is going to be...
Hi, I'm Debbie, owner of DG's Busy Bee Cleaning. We've seen it all. Houses with stained carpets, apartments that look like the zoo lived there, to commercial buildings that haven't been cleaned in who knows how long. DG's Busy Bee Cleaning will bring any of your cleaning needs back to life. We only use green products, steam clean to clean, which improves your environment and indoor air quality that those other companies just cannot do. We even got the opportunity to clean for the reality TV show Bar Rescue. For info, please visit our website, dgsbusybeecleaning.com. We put the steam into your clean.
Good.
There you go.